Saturday morning, guys. Well, for me, it is 10:30 Saturday morning, so I just thought get this in, get it out of the way. Webcam's on, but the sun is actually out sort of in Perth, so I'm just sort of letting the window open slightly. It's not too windy, so I don't think it's going to distort the audio. But we don't have a lot to get through today. What I think I'll do in combination is I might just take a look at the AUDUSD charts as well, USD, JPY, and maybe the Aussie dollar as well, because I had a couple of pending orders. We'll go through my thoughts on why I did that. Nothing got triggered though this week, so no trades. But let's just go through the charts here. So this is the Bollinger Band method, banana split method. I just call that really because that's sort of what I like and brings back happy memories, because sometimes back testing can be cumbersome and a little bit, it's, especially if you're working and stuff, it's, it's demanding to the schedule as well. So it's like, yeah, I'm doing banana split stuff now. That's good. Feel good, All right, so I'll get this out. This looks like a winning trade. We'll do that. So 2009, 0801, that's there. So what I'm finding is going on quite a bit is with the trailing exit. It is a 1R, and it will sort of not really go over the so I have a first target of 1R, so you can see that was met there, and then this obviously was met there. So I'm finding that quite a little bit, although I mean, just reviewing this here, this excited me because it obviously made a higher high, and that's pretty good price action as well, and there was band expansion. But yeah, so I think, if I had a 50-day moving average and a 200-day moving average, they would have been a little bit flat still. So you try, I mean, it's not essential, but yeah, I got in and I think it came back and went off again. But yeah, so this is something maybe for me to look out for. But I don't mind this trade, that's all right. We'll save it up. I hope everyone had a good week as well, trading-wise. I saw the Aussie dollar really, I'll see how that closed as well, because I looked at that at about, would have been about 10 hours ago. Day off today as well, so I get to relax and might do something. I do some vacuuming. That's fun. Where was it? There it is. Holy McBilly. What am I doing? Alright. So this is actually coming to a conclusion soon. We've only got about 6 more months to go of testing, and then that will be 120. So I'll go to another pair. I'll probably go to the euro maybe. I think I've done the euro previously on other, but it's been a while ago, so I honestly I don't remember. So I wouldn't say I'm compromising the test at all. If you go like pound, euro, and then back to the pound, that's not really, because you're gonna remember things. All right, so 2010. No, this is Solar's method I'm testing, so we won't go over this. All right. Okay, so there's only 2 screenshots. I've had a lot of cancel. If you go through, I've had quite a lot of canceled. So the last time I had a trade was on the Wednesday, and that would have been this one here. So even on, yeah, so we had Tuesday was no trade, Monday was a losing trade. So, all right. Okay, so this is, I like this really. I mean, because of this is, the whoosh movement. I'm getting a little bit better at this, but I will be purchasing a new laptop with a touchscreen type interactive platform when I get my tax back. So I'll be able to actually give a little more detailed journaling on these, which I feel is going to be good for me, because I reflect back on these, and sometimes I don't quite get what I can't put a lot of detail in them, because if I write a lot, it sort of starts, it's not really easy to read back. All right, so see what I mean, guys? So this is the full 2%, and so that's a point of concern. But I'm going to continue to learn how to read the price action and the market movements, and I like this system. you know, I'm comfortable with it. So I you know, I have a tendency to want to take profits. So I can wait probably a week or so for a 1R to hit, but you know, I just like some direction, whether or not it's going to be, you know, a winner or a loser. Okay, I'm a little impatient. I would say I'm more, you know, I'm more impatient than just really relaxed about it all, if that makes sense. So we'll save that up. Losing trade to the thing. Well, all right. I think. Look, I thought that was more than this. Oh, there is. There is. Oh, nice. Okay, this has been the last one. This has been the Wednesday trade. So I've got the form up here now. Okay. So Friday night, last night, I had 3 cancelled orders as well. So there's still a bit of gap and stuff. I mean, I think this was the Friday, and it, you know. So Robin made a comment about that, and I hope your testing's going well, Robin, as well. I'm not sure if you do still watch my videos. It's probably nearly like a full-time job to keep up with everything that I post. I work 35 hours a week. I also train probably like 10 hours a week as well. So I have a pretty big schedule, and it's shift work as well. So, you know, if you want to make something happen, you make it happen. You don't, you know, make excuses. So, but yeah, this is actually quite a good example. I mean, if that happens and it goes beyond your stop, for me, it's never happened. I mean, the problem with new traders and like myself as well, you find that if something's going in profit or if it hasn't really moved, you want a tight stop loss, but you've just got to read the market and sort of have the stop an appropriate level. I mean, you want it to be not too generous, but you have that understanding that things happen, ebbs and flows happen. I mean, this is just, you know, that's unfortunate, but I don't think I took a photo of the actual. Did I take a photo of the account history? I didn't. Okay. Anyway, look, I don't mind this. It's just, so the stop loss would have been down there. See, that's in the entries there. I mean, down there would have been, but I think it's just unlucky as well, because the context is not too bad. Just going to do the frowny face. The frowny face is easier for me to write than unlucky, so that would be the translation of that, guys. Alright, save that up, losing trade. I think that's everything. How long has this been going for? 6. It's hard to see on the background now. Alright, okay. I mean, we'll just see how the Aussie dollar ended up. I made this post as well. So it closed at, what did it close at? 78,229. And what was the high? 78. That's huge. So this is a potential play. Yeah, definitely potential play. If we go through some analysis, I might just put this up. I'm going to put this up on both threads just so it's easy, because I'm going to be pretty quick. So the Aussie dollar and the USD yen, was that last week? That was the 11th, so that was Monday. The 11th is Monday. Oh, it was a Tuesday. No, that's of course. I don't take trades on. Alright, so we'll have a look at the USD yen. I might have actually done a screening on this. Did a screen grab. So this is what I'm doing now. So obviously I send it to Connor Murphy. He's a member of the forum. He's my trading accountability buddy. I think this is the buy limit here for the Aussie dollar. So I'll just explain my sort of process. So I've got the, actually, it's gonna work. I don't know why I just did grab this. It didn't grab the full sort of. Anyway, so this was on the 4-hour chart, and I had some significant resistance established using the weekly chart, and I like the line graph just to grab the closes, and it was at 77 2, and I went through that, and I was just hoping for a bounce off support here. Didn't get it. It just continued on. It was probably got about halfway to triggering the buy limit. This is my stop loss down here at 76, sort of 40 region, 76.50. Oh no, down here, guys. Sorry, 76.52. And I was looking to get in at 77.10, and it didn't trigger. So, that's what happened there. So we'll close that down. And then this one I don't think was a screenshot. So you can see here, USD yen, and I was sort of I set it up here at the high at, again, it sort of looks like 114, I don't know, 3 level. No, a little bit higher, 114.50 maybe. Stop loss down here, and I was using the 55-day moving average to stabilize. So I mean that's quite a large, but it didn't trigger either, and I wait 2 candles. So after 8 hours it didn't trigger. I closed it down. So, and then my USD weekly chart as well. So this is capturing this. I put this on the forum. So that's again a point of resistance here. I'll try and zoom in. Sorry about the clarity, guys. I'm not sure why. Nope. I want to zoom in. There we go. Yeah, so 77.002 as well was a point. It's really broken through that close very high. So we'll see. Monday, obviously, you'd expect a minor retrace, and then we'll see how it sort of pans out. But I'll put this up on the Road to Redemption thread as well. And I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope everyone has a great weekend and has a bit of fun and does a bit of study as well. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.